VSeeBox V6 Plus tips and tricks for faster streaming. Is your VSeeBox V6 Plus running slow? In this guide, we'll share simple tips and tricks to boost streaming speed. For the fastest performance, connect your VSeeBox directly to the router with an Ethernet cable. If you're on Wi-Fi, use the 5 GHz band and keep the router close to reduce lag. Second thing you can do is to update your firmware and your apps. Go to settings, head over to system, and then go ahead and install the latest firmware. Also update streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, or IPTV to ensure you're running the newest versions. Clear cache regularly in settings. So to do that, open settings, apps, and close unused apps running in the background to free up memory and keep streaming smooth. If your internet speed is below 25 Mbps, lower resolution from 4K to 1080p. This reduces buffering while still keeping quality sharp. Disable extra video enhancements that may slow performance. And lastly, what you can do is to use a VPN. A VPN can bypass ISP, throttling, and stabilize IPTV streams. Choose a server close to your location for best results. Keep in mind, VPNs may add slight latency. With these simple tweaks, your VSeeBox V6 Plus can stream faster and more reliably.